So I get asked a lot from people that are outside of the United States, in Canada, in the UK, in Mexico, various countries all around the world. And they ask, David, can I do what you're doing in my country? Now, I'm going to be sharing with you more information on exactly what I do, but I do want to mention that the experiences and the sources that I utilize to get my results are based in the United States. But that does not mean you can't take these concepts and apply it in your own country. You can absolutely do everything that I'm teaching you, whether you're from Canada or the UK or Australia, whatever. Obviously, if you're taking this course and you're listening to me, you're from an English-speaking country, so you can absolutely do it. For example, let's say you're from Canada. You can go to eBay's website and sign up on eBay Canada's website. And you can utilize the same sources that I utilize here because there's the same sources that I utilize in your country, like Home Depot Canada, Lowe's Canada, Walmart Canada. So you can do the exact same thing. Another thing I do want to mention is whatever country you're in, you can actually sell your items in the United States as well. You have to set up your account to do that. I believe it takes about 30 days to get approved for your account to start selling on the US eBay's site. But you can absolutely do it. So for all you international students wondering, can I do exactly what you're doing? The answer is absolutely you can. You might not be able to, let's say you're from Belgium. You might not be able to specifically buy from the same sources that I'm buying from, but again, once you learn the core concepts, you can absolutely apply that and find your sources in your countries and turn around and do the exact same thing. So this message is basically for the international students, and really excited to get on board with you guys and show you guys how to do this. So really quick, what you're taking a look at here on the screen is eBay's website and the link to all of their other international eBay-based websites. For example, Canada, if you click on it, that's ebay.ca. That's the Canada's eBay site. If you click on Korea, it's going to be eauction.co.kr. You click on Australia, it's going to be ebay.com.au. So here's the site. There's 27 countries where eBay is set up in. And these are the sites. I'll go ahead and post this link up into the document that you can find on your right-hand side. So if you want, you can go there, or you can just type it in Google in your own country and find out the eBay website for your country. And again, once you set up for about 30 days, you can start selling in the US and doing the exact same thing that I'm sharing with you to do it here in the US.